So why are my images blurry? It's a couple of factors. One, you're probably not using a tripod, which we will cover in another video. But two, it's because you're probably in the automatic mode. I know the automatic mode is the quick and simple and easy way of doing things, but you haven't just dunked a load of money just to use automatic. So switching the camera to manual mode is going to be absolutely key, and changing what's called the shutter speed. Now the shutter speed is the blinking part of the camera. It's the thing that goes chink when you press the shutter button. You want to have a fast enough shutter speed. Obviously, if you're hand holding, which we don't recommend, always a tripod. But things like an external or a garden, you might need to, not have a tripod. The circumstance might require you to literally free hold the camera. So having a fast enough shutter speed will allow you to get a sharper image as opposed to that kind of camera shake and camera blur that you might get with slower shutter speeds and some of the automatic modes. So here's a quick tip. You can't hand hold anything less than 1/60th of a second. Bit of science for you that your heartbeat is actually regulated by it, and when your heart is beating a 50th of a second, it can't handle it, so your body can't actually hold it still. So having anything over a 60th of a second will definitely allow you to get a sharper shot, that's for sure. And obviously using a tripod.